So today's June 4th. I'm just packing up the car, heading out to Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge tomorrow, which will be June 5th. So that'll be a travel day, renting a cabin, and then seeing downtown Gatlinburg, the island, Pigeon Forge, and different stuff around there. So hopefully you like that journey. So that'll be about a 5-day journey. That's what we're doing now. So I'm going to load up the car and get ready to head out early in the morning tomorrow, which will be June 5th. And all loaded up and ready to go. So it's Sunday morning, June 5th, heading out to Tennessee. Got the car all loaded up at 7:40 a.m. So hopefully I'll be there by like 3:30. So we'll do some stops along the way for like rest stops. So I'm at the Indiana rest area here. Towway's behind me there. So almost 3 hours into the trip. So about 5 hours more to go, maybe 4. There's a time change in there too, so just getting that in there. So this is a quick little stop, 3 hours in. Like I said, 4 to 5 more to go. And we should be in Tennessee. Should be in Indianapolis in about an hour. And then the Kentucky state line in probably 2.5 hours. It's now 2 o'clock after the time change because I crossed over to Eastern time. Had a little bit of car issues here. Kind of the trailing underneath kind of pulled apart from the car. I don't think I hit anything in the road, but for whatever reason it dropped out. It'll be like 9 screws. I'll fix it when I get back home, but it should be fine. So this is we're past Indianapolis now. We're 1 hour away from Louisville, Kentucky. Buc-ees in Kentucky. This one just opened maybe a month ago. Big sign down there.
I know, but like.
I don't know how many pumps they have.
Welcome to Buc-ees. Welcome.
Thanks. World famous jerky, burritos and tacos. I was gassing up. I was gassing up. Here's a barbecue. Ice cream. Bakery. Berry juice, beer. There's the drinks, different foods. There's a quick stop. Burritos and tacos, jerky. Kinds of other things. Got little Buc-ees. The Buc-ee mobile. Different t-shirts. That's it for Buc-ees in Kentucky. Heading into Kentucky, now we're in Knoxville. So about 30 minutes away from the actual cabin. So there's downtown Knoxville, there's the World's Fair tower structure. I was never in Knoxville before. Here's just a quick time lapse of heading through the mountainous. The roads go up and down a lot. I just thought it was kind of cool, so I just did a quick hyper lapse of this. So you can kind of get a general idea of the things I saw between Knoxville and getting to the actual cabin. So just about there, you can see the roads. Yeah, now I'm actually there, so this is a zip line, and this is kind of the entrance too. So this is the road that you take in to actually get to the cabin. Ours is about 10 cabins in. Some of these are verbos, some of them people own, and then other ones companies have that you just rent through them, and they do all the management, the cleanup, billing, and all that, which makes it a little bit easier. And that's the route that we took. This doesn't show it very well, but it's a really steep incline going up this hill. Then our cabin is one more over to the right. And there it is.
Arrived at your destination.
Here's the Dolly Parton statue. There's a little butterfly on there. I think it's in front of the courthouse. This is by Rocky Top. Here's a little board about it.
Do you want my picture with all?
So you can see we've arrived at our cabin now in Sayreville, Tennessee. Here's the outside of it. It's 3 stories tall. There's 3 levels to this cabin. It's our neighbor's cabin for an idea of how close it is. This is the main road that comes in. There's a steep decline to the left of this, which goes down to the pool, which is maybe about, I don't know, a block away. Here's the information on the cabin. It's Lakira. Some beers here. There's a lot of beers throughout this cabin, even like the toilet paper holders and such. Garbage area, which is beer proof. Going up the lighted stairs, which is nice at night. Some rocking chairs on the front porch. There's really not much down there. It's a very hilly area, so it just goes straight down. The foundations go all the way down the hill. There's the address again. So here's walking through the front door. So we'll do the lower level first, which has 2 bedrooms and the washer and dryer, as well as its own deck, which both bedrooms share. So as you head down, you just make a right and both bedrooms are there. Here's where the washer and dryer are. Here's bedroom number 1. I believe they're all king-size beds. So lamps, bed, TV in each room. Here's walking out on the deck. Now this deck is shared with the bedroom next to it as well. There's the hot tub overlooking the tree area. They have some rockers out here, a table, so you can have coffee out here in the morning. The rockers are really heavy duty. They're really thick pine, it looks like. Hot tub again. So here's a bedroom. I'll give you a better look of it now. So there's lamps, king size bed, and then a dresser and a TV for this one. That's a loading thing for the luggage. So heading back out, go to the other bedroom. Now this one has its own hot tub as well. So another TV here, another dresser for this bedroom. I won't go out here, but it goes to the same deck as before. And another king-size bed. Difference with this room is it has an ensuite bathroom and a built-in hot tub in the actual room. So here's the bathroom. Just flick on the light there. Knotty pine throughout, which gives it a really nice cabin feel. Here's the shower. We already moved in, so it's a little, not messy, but kind of set up already. So I did this day 2. I should have did it day 1, but so it gives you an overview of this bedroom. Now we're back up to the main level. Right when you come in, it has a full bath. It looks like a half bath, but it actually has a full shower. So there's a sink, toilet, and obviously more beer stuff. So there's a shower. Another beer. So it's a small one, but it's right off, so it's really nice. So if you just come in, you can actually just go to the shower or the bathroom. So here's the kitchen. It has full appliances, refrigerator, microwave. There's a stove and oven. Here's the dishwasher. They have a lot of coffee, different coffee stuff. You know, coffee cups, plates, cooking bowls, different stuff like that. Here we're making our way to the fireplace area and the family room. And I believe these pull out into beds as well, because in the closet behind me there is actually pillows and blankets. So I believe one or both of these pull out, so that table is on wheels. There's another TV over there. Now we'll step out onto the main floor deck. So here's the deck off the family room. So this one is nice because it also has a rocker, but it also has a grill, so that's nice. So our other neighbors, so you can see the cabins are not very close, but they're close enough. So just looking out over there, you can see through if you look through here in the tree. So I guess in the fall you get a better view of the mountains, but you can see them here. So here's looking at it the opposite way. There's a second rocker there. Looking down. There's a temperature. This day it was about 85. So it was you know, with all the trees in that and a breeze cutting through, it was actually a really nice temperature. So off the kitchen you have the dining room area and really tall ceilings with a loft up there, which I'll get into in the next part of the video. Very outdoors themes with the different bears and nature and that kind of stuff throughout the entire cabin. Nice breakfast bar there too. We didn't even use the table because there's only 3 of us. Now heading up to the 3rd floor. Or the 2nd floor, I guess, from the main. So here there's a dresser, bedroom, another hot tub here, little mirror. So now this is the loft area, and this got an area. Set up my laptop there, another TV. Has a pool table. Air hockey and darts. So you can kind of move the air hockey if you want to. And here's basketball. So that's electronic, so it kept score. You set up 1 to 2 players. And here's the ceiling going up. And over here you can overlook the dining room as well as the kitchen. There's the breakfast area, the breakfast counter to eat off of. And then the family room's right underneath. You can see the couch there. It's kind of a ledge there on the wall, so you can put stuff there if you need to. Coming back into the bedroom. That's the dresser we showed when we came up. Another TV. Most of the rooms have ceiling fans too, which is nice. There's a big window there, as well as one below it next to the dresser. Here's the indoor jacuzzi for this room. And there's the bed with the 2 nightstands. Heading into the bathroom here. This is the ensuite one. Again, we've moved in, so it's a little messy from us moving in, but there's a sink, there's a storage area, full shower. There's the entrance. Then the zip lining and pool are back around here. It's on Stockton Drive. I just gotta go up this hill. Here's the pool area. It's like a splash pad, hot tub, and the regular pool. Up there is zip lining where you sign up and can go. They have a lot of different areas. I'll get it from the top as well. So it's a max depth of 5 feet. That's just the overview from the top. People going zip lining over there. I don't know where it is. It's not far from here at all though.